Hey guys, this is the updated Squishy shop, and yeah. So first, I have a jumbo melon bun, and it's decoed, and all defects will be shown in the console, and it's 75 cents. Next, I have a cafe sakura bread roll, and has no defects, and it's licensed, and it's $6. Then I have a Hello Kitty waffle for $2, and it has coconut sprinkles. Then I have a curatori bun, and it's $1, and it's really squishy. Then I have a Watson bun, and it's really squishy. Onsen bun, it's really squishy, and it's for $3. Then I have a Sakura ice cream, and it's $5.50, and it has a tag. And then I have a rare soap squishy, and it feels really good, and it's for $6, and it has a tag. I have a mochi plush, and it's for $1.50. Then I have a mini panda bun, and it has a red bow, and it's really squishy for $1. Then I have a DIY waffle, and it's really squishy for 50 cents. And then I have a defected Rilakkuma ice cream. It's defected by the ears. It's for 50 cents. Lastly, I have a rare bloom squishy, a squeeze toy, and it squeezes out mushrooms. And it's for $3.50. And thanks for watching. Bye.